To customize a Monday.com board, start by logging into your account and navigating to the board you want to customize. The first step is to understand the different components of a Monday.com board, which includes items, columns, and groups. Items represent individual tasks or projects. Columns are used to track specific information about each item, and groups are used to categorize and organize items. To add a new column, click on the plus sign at the right end of the board and select the type of column you want to add, such as text, date, or numeric. You can then customize the column by giving it a name, setting the data type, and configuring any additional settings. For example, you can add a column to track the status of each item, or to assign a priority level. To add a new group, click on the plus sign at the top of the board and select the group type. You can then customize the group by giving it a name and setting the criteria for which items are included in the group. For example, you can create a group for high priority items, or for items that are due soon. To customize the board layout, click on the three-dot menu at the top right of the board and select Board Settings. From here, you can change the board layout, add or remove columns, and configure other settings. You can also use the drag and drop feature to rearrange columns and groups. Best practices for customizing a Monday.com board include keeping it simple and focused on the most important information, using clear and concise names for columns and groups, and configuring the board to meet the specific needs of your team or project. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a customized Monday.com board that helps you to track and manage your work more efficiently.